come and put the hinges in their hand. Counting benches while we meet and make them shake my other hand.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As seen from the title and also the thumbnail, I purchased a unit from Amazon. I have been buying so much stuff from Amazon lately, more so Prime because of that 2-day shipping, and I love to get my stuff quick. But with this particular unit, although it did not have the Prime feature, what drew me to this company was actually Twin Goddesses. I've seen many of their videos related to Amazon wig purchases, and I was like, I need to try it out to see what the hype is all about. This one won't be the curly texture like they showcased in their video because they already showed that, so I wanted to try the straighter texture. So I'm going to be showing you all a body wave 360 unit from this company, which is called Dorosy. This is the particular hair brand, and we're just going to open it up and see what this unit has to offer. It was really cool going about the process of purchasing the unit from Amazon. I was able to see as a customer what that process would look like, how long it would take to get the unit. Now this one isn't Prime, so it wasn't 2 days. I believe it only took like 5 days in order to receive it. It did come fast relative to some other companies that you can order from, so that's a good feature. And that it was free. I love getting a deal. So we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like right in the package, and I'm gonna show you all how we get it to look flaky. Do people still say that? I don't know. You get a wig cap, and this is more so of a netted wig cap. I won't be able to use this one for this install, but maybe I can use it later for something. And you get some lashes, so that's cool. Oh, and this is Huda Beauty. Okay, these are nice lashes. So that's right. So we're gonna open it up, and my unit is in length 18. It is in the body weight texture, and this one was only around, I believe it was like $150, maybe $158 total with taxes and everything, which is very good for a unit that's 18 inches. Wow. This hair feels amazing. It is pre-plucked, as you can see. Now we're going to do a little extra, but it's good that they've already started the work for you. It also appears that they may have lightly bleached the knots, which is awesome. And it's on transparent lace. And I love transparent lace because this really allows for any skin tone to be able to modify it and get it to look as awesome as possible. So I'm going to put it on my mannequin head and begin going to work.
Yeah.
Perfectly. One thing that I will say that I noticed when I was actually tweezing the hairline, that this lace is very thin, which is great because it'll give a more realistic look. The thinner the lace is, the more that it will mesh and blend with your skin so that it looks like it grew out of your scalp. So that's really, really good.
take your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
Alright ladies, so let's talk about this hair. I have to say, I am so impressed. I'm really blown away. I can understand why twin goddesses were going crazy about Dorosy Hair. I feel like this unit is very beginner friendly. It was very easy to install. As I stated, y'all, it fit my hairline perfectly, and I often struggle to find companies whose hairline fit my particular structure very well. I was able to get a very natural install with this particular unit, and y'all, for $150, that is like so great. The quality of this hair is really good. I actually used my Amazon purchased flat iron. Y'all, I get so much from Amazon. It's a Kiposi. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I had the flat iron on $450 on this hair, and you can generally tell the quality of the hair if it can stand a good amount of heat. So $450 on this hair, and it curled very nicely. Now I gave up in the back because it was a struggle trying to curl the back and lift my arms and everything. I'd probably feel better about doing the back off camera while it's not on my head, because it's hard curling the back, or get somebody else to do it. But yeah, it turned out really nicely. The sheen that this hair has, the luster and everything, looks very natural. It looks beautiful. I did get my unit in 18 inches, and it looks pretty standard for 18 inches. The density is 180, and it absolutely mimics 180% density. It feels rather full, but not overly dense. And the texture and everything, it feels soft and silky. This texture feels really good, and I wouldn't necessarily expect this for $150. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited about this company. They've done a very good job constructing this unit at an affordable price, and I love that on their website I didn't see any fraudulent activity. I'm on Amazon a great deal, as I share with you guys, and often I come across hair companies who have gurus or others whose photo maybe they found online that they're using to sell their hair. There was one company in particular that I found like 6 of my photos, and I cannot remember the name. It started with a K, but I literally had to reach out to them to say, take my photos down, because I've had some of you guys who've reached out to me and say, do you know that this company has your photo up on Amazon, and they're saying that this is their hair? And I also even see videos on Instagram from different companies, but this wasn't one of those companies. I only saw photos of the twin goddesses on their page. I didn't see any photos for this particular unit. They'll probably end up using mine, but yeah, I love that I didn't see any of that going on, because I'm not, that gets under my skin. If it's not your hair, do not put photos that don't represent someone wearing your hair. It's so misleading, and I'd hate for you guys to actually purchase hair from Amazon or these other sites who are displaying my photos or others' photos, and it's not their hair. So you all keep a watch out for that. This is the only company from Amazon that I've tried, so if you all come across my photos, it is not me. I do not have any other videos that I've done related to any other Amazon companies. I will be leaving a review for this hair because it's great. I really like it a great deal. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and you found it very helpful. Be sure to leave a comment in the description box. And if y'all know of any hair vendors on Amazon or any other places that you've seen my photos, y'all leave them, because I'm writing these people and letting them know they need to stop it, because I don't want y'all purchasing hair that I did not give y'all any type of insight on and my photos being used. But yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.